Hi everyone, welcome back. Have you ever wondered about Christmas traditions in the UK? I've prepared a list of the most popular ones. In today's episode, I'll explain them, give you examples of use, and teach you useful Christmas vocabulary along the way. Good morning! What are your favorite hiding spots? It's almost time for my appointment. Can I walk there? Or should I take a bus? Hi everyone, and welcome to Just Saying Christmas meals. In the UK, the Christmas meal is normally planned on 25th of December. Traditionally, it tends to be roast turkey, stuffing, vegetables, gravy, and pudding. If you live in the UK, you might notice that people like making other Christmas meal plans, for example with groups of friends or colleagues at work. They may then arrange to go for a Christmas lunch or an evening meal. We had our Christmas meal at 2 o'clock and everyone ate far too much. Another thing that may surprise you if you've not spent Christmas in the UK before are Christmas crackers. They tend to be part of the Christmas table decoration. They are popped at the Christmas table and include a joke, a little toy, and a paper crown. Who's Santa's favorite singer? Elvis Presley. Example: we always start the Christmas dinner by pulling the crackers and reading the terrible jokes inside. Next are mince pies. Those are sweet pastries filled with spiced fruity filling. Despite the name, there's no mince meat in them, which may be a little confusing the first time you see them. Would you like a mince pie? They are freshly baked. Next up, pantomime or panto, a funny musical theatre show for all ages. People book tickets in advance and go to the theatre with their whole families. We are going to the pantomime this weekend. Apparently, it's hilarious. Another very popular Christmas plan idea are Christmas movie nights. Friends and family might organize a Christmas movie night at home or find a festive location to watch a themed movie such as Elf, Home Alone, The Holiday or Love Actually. And they are likely to prepare Christmas-themed snacks to go with it. Tonight we're having a Christmas movie night. I've got hot chocolate and popcorn ready. Next up, carols. Carols are traditional Christmas songs sung at church services, door to door, or in town centres. They are bound to put everyone in a Christmas mood. Another fun Christmas tradition, very popular among families in the UK, is Elf on the Shelf. But I'll have to explain it very delicately in case any children watch this video, if you know what I mean. Elf on the Shelf visits children every day in December, making sure that they are good for Santa. The elf surprises the children by moving every night and leaving them funny messages or jokes. Example: the children woke up this morning to find the elf on the shelf inside the cereal box. If you've watched any Christmas movies or live in the UK and have children who go to school, you will also know this next tradition. Most schools here organize Christmas shows for the parents, where children are actors and parents are the audience. Let's have an example. Our school's Christmas show is this Friday. I can't wait to see it. Another very popular tradition is Secret Santa. It's a gift exchange game where everyone picks a name of the person who they need to get a little inexpensive gift for. Then when you exchange gifts, you get a similar gift someone else got for you. Sometimes people also want to guess who their Secret Santa was in the end. How about an example of use? We are doing a Christmas Santa at work and my budget is only £5. And finally, Boxing Day. Boxing Day is the second day of Christmas on 26th of December. People tend to relax, enjoy family time, watch sports, or take advantage of the Christmas sales. Example: on Boxing Day, my family normally plays board games and goes on a long walk. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about British Christmas traditions. Which one was your favorite? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English lessons with me.